In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a weekly planner in Notion. We're going to keep this really simple and beginner friendly. So by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a weekly planner template added to your own Notion workspace and ready to customize. First, open Notion on your computer. You can use either the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Once you're on your home screen, look toward the left-hand side or the top navigation bar, depending on your layout, and find the option called Marketplace. This is Notion's built-in library of templates and tools created both by Notion and by the community. Go ahead and click on Marketplace to open it. After the Marketplace loads, you'll see a search bar near the top of the page. Click into that search bar and type Weekly Planner. Make sure you spell it correctly so you get the best results. This search will bring up a variety of weekly planner templates designed for different needs, like simple to-do lists, habit tracking, or more detailed scheduling. Take a moment to scroll through the results. You'll see preview cards showing each template's name, a short description, and often a small screenshot of what it looks like inside Notion. Click on any weekly planner template that looks close to what you want. This will open a detailed page where you can see more screenshots, read a description of how it works, and sometimes check ratings or reviews from other users. Once you've found a weekly planner you like, look for the button that lets you add it to your workspace. This might say something like, use this template, duplicate, or get template, depending on Notion's current wording. Click that button and then simply follow the on-screen prompts. Notion will usually ask which workspace you want to add it to, especially if you're part of more than one. Confirm your choice and wait a moment while Notion duplicates the template into your account. After the template finishes loading, it will open as a new page in your workspace. From here, you can start customizing it. Rename the page to something like My Weekly Planner, adjust the days of the week if needed, and edit any example tasks so they match your own schedule. You can also rearrange sections, change colors, or add properties like tags and priorities, just like any other Notion page. Once you're happy with it, you can drag this planner into your sidebar for quick access, and you're ready to start planning your week in Notion.